Hey guys, Blue Earth Thing here, and today I'm going to take on this little meme right here. Now this is a common flat earth meme in the sense that they believe that the earth, if the earth was an oblate spheroid, it should look like this and not like a perfect sphere right here on this right side. The problem I have with this is the fact that the earth is an oblate spheroid, but it is so small that not only can flat earther minds comprehend it, but is really hard to see on images. Now I'm going to prove that the images from space do show the bulge. Now this image right here might not actually show the bulge simply because it is so heavily distorted with essentially a fisheye lens when it was taken more of near projection or nearsighted projection is what was used to take this image. This is Blue Marble 2012. But it definitely doesn't look like this right here. So we're going to go in and attack this head on. First things first, we need to find a picture of the Earth. Now this is the Himawari 8 satellite. Now let's see, right here you can go find all the most recent imagery from the Himawari 8. Now I actually had to scroll down a little bit because it's 4:50 p.m. on this side of the Earth right now, and that means that half the Earth is covered with nightfall, and we want as much of the disk as visible as possible. So I went ahead and found this one from 2:10 p.m. So I think that's a good looking one. So we're going to go ahead and download it real quick. We're going to name this one H8 for Himawari 8. Alright, we're going to open up some Photoshop. The reason why we're going to open up Photoshop is that you see, in order to do this, we need to have the image itself all the way down. That way the dimensions wide is the width of the Earth. As you see, there's some black space here, and same on the top. So we're going to open it through. Sorry. Place it down. There we go. We already got the crop tool open. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and get this done. By the way, look at that detail. That is amazing. We gotta zoom in way in though. Alright. Let's look in there. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get it. And that sucker's on there. Alright, we'll go to the next one. Let's go to the other side. Whoa, there we go. You're zoomed in, it's easy to get to overshoot it. Alright. Oh. There. That's about as good as we're going to get it. This might be quicker. There we go. Got it. So that's all the way down the bottom. Let's move it up to the top. Alright, I think that's about as good as we're going to get it. Take it all the way out and hit enter. Boom! There we go. That's about as good as we're going to get it. Yep, no black there. Doesn't look like there's any black anywhere else on the edges. No. So I think we can all safely agree that this is, so that means the width of this image would be the width of the Earth, the height of the image would be the height of the Earth in this sense. So we're going to go ahead and export this. Quick export as a PNG, why not? H8 cropped. There we go. So now that we have that cropped, we can open it up. There we go. What's our dimensions? Our dimensions is 5417 and 5399. Those are our dimensions. So now we're going to do some math. We are going to go ahead and show, let's find the diameter of the Earth right there. So our diameter of the Earth is going to be 742 divided by 5417 equals, all right. So what I just did right there is I took the diameter of the Earth, divided it by the pixels in this image, and found out that each pixel is about 2.35 kilometers wide or tall. That's not squared. So, or wide, that's just wide, not tall. We're going to ignore tall real quick. Then we are going to find the bulge of the Earth, equatorial bulge of the Earth, 42.77 kilometers. So if we were to take 47.22 and divide that by 2.35, we would find out that the bulge of the Earth should be somewhere around 20 pixels. That's what we get. Oh, I did that wrong. Sorry. 42.77 divided by 2.35. 18.2. That's what we get. Sorry about that. I mixed up the numbers real quick. So 18.2 is how many pixels the bulge should be. So we're going to go back to this image right here. And it is 5417 by 5399. So 5417 minus 5399, and we get, voila, 18. There it is. That's 18 pixels. That's how much of a bulge we have right in the middle. 18 pixels, exactly as predicted. We're supposed to get 18.2 pixels. Now we can't actually show the 0.2 pixels because you can't get half a pixel, but I think that successfully shows it. So consider this meme right here basically debunked. This image of Earth does have a bulge. You can barely see it, but it is undeniably there. We proved it right here. And if you want any more proof, I'll put this image, I'll put this one right here out on the internet, so you'll find it on my Twitter account, as this image itself proves that we do live on a planet with a bulge. Thank you.